Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do if you are experiencing this error is to reinstall Roblox and run the Roblox player installer. So to do this, go to the Windows search and then type in control panel and then go to the programs part. So after that, you need to uninstall a program. So right click on the Roblox player and then simply click the uninstall, just like right here as shown in the photo. So run the Roblox installer twice. So run it another time after the first time. So press the Windows plus R key or search for the run using the Windows search. And after that, just simply type the percent local update the percent and press enter. So after that, go to the Roblox and then go to the versions section and then click into the version XXX. So after that, run the Roblox Player Launcher application. And then that's it for the first fix. And what you can do next is to uninstall Roblox and install it from the Microsoft Store. So to do that, just again go to the Windows search and then Control Panel and then go to the programs. And to uninstall a program, right click on the Roblox player and simply hit the uninstall button. So open the Microsoft Store app, so it should be on your taskbar, and search for Roblox and click on Get to install it. So after that, launch Roblox and try launching an experience. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps or fixes that you can do if you are having the error. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.